The Gudenkauf Corporation was founded in 1977 as a supplier to Ohio Bell and has since branched out to where we work in about 6 different states.
The 2 primary services we provide are, number 1, we do what we call structured cabling, where we go into office environments, factory environments, campus environments, design and build networks for telecommunications, data, security, and then we have what we call outside plant work, and we provide that for telephone, power companies, gas companies. We also do a lot of cathodic protection.
We've been around long enough that we're financially stable, big enough to go ahead and play with the big contractors on large projects, but small enough to make decisions. We don't have 10 layers of management waiting 3 weeks to make a decision.
We have approximately 100 trucks on and off the road. We have approximately 100 pieces of support equipment: backhoes, trenchers, plows, dozers, air compressors, small trailers, big trailers.
We take on a lot of challenging projects that other contractors either are afraid to or unable to do.
We really feel that our customers' wants and needs are of the utmost importance, and we'll do anything in our capabilities to make sure that their end goal is met.
Our approach to every job is the same, whether it's a $5 million job or a $5,000 job. We want to put good personnel on the job, good equipment, and get it done in a timely fashion at a competitive price.
We want our customers to get the most for their money. We want them to be happy with the work that's provided to them, and we want them to have a solution that works for them and makes their business a better business and allows them to be more efficient and more profitable.
When the University of Rio Grande works with Gudenkauf, a couple of things come to mind: craftsmanship, the honesty, the trustworthiness of the people that come to work on the project. I know who I'm working with, and they understand the customer very, very well.
The partnership that we have with Gudenkauf Corporation has helped us to complete the first fiber-to-the-home project in the state of West Virginia.
We have some of the most talented guys, I think, in the industry. Some of the splicers we have, they're outstanding. They can splice anything, anywhere, anytime. We got some guys on our board crew that have pulled off jobs that I know other contractors could not. We've gone in after them and completed jobs that they were unable to complete.
I would put our aerial crews up against any company. They are above and beyond. They do pretty good work.
We've got one fiber optic splicer that literally puts his business card in every splice case because he's proud of what he does.
We work together here. It's more of a team-oriented company. You know, it's not individuals.
We try and provide our employees with the best equipment possible and the best training possible, which allows them to go out and then provide the customer with the best service possible.
The type of work we do has a huge trust element to it. We're involved in people's data networks. We're involved in their plants, in their buildings. We're involved with property owners, and knowing that we'll do the job properly, clean it up, and get the job done becomes very, very important from a trust factor.
I think it's important that the customer knows that this company didn't just start recently. It's got a long history, a long-standing history of working in the telecommunications trade, and it gives them the assurance that we're not going to be here today and gone tomorrow, that we're here for the duration.
Safety's #1 priority as far as I'm concerned. It comes precedence over production.
Integrity is a big part of it. We say what we do and do what we say. I take it personally that when I walk away from a job that I know it's done right and I can stand behind it, and the guys in the field feel the same way.
The reason we have so many long-term customers is usually once they give us a chance, they don't look any further. As far as I'm concerned, Gudenkauf Corporation is the best in the business.
The same principles that are very important to us today were high on the list, or at the top of the list in 1977 when we went into business. The demand for our services, I think, is only going to expand. I think operating companies are going to use more contract services than they have in the past. So I think that in the next 5 to 15 years, we have a very, very bright future.